fēnix 7 series feature the touchscreen. Now, the watch is faster and more intuitively to use. On watch face, press and hold the data field you want to check, and you will see its details. Swipe right to return to the previous page. From watch face, swipe up or down to enter glance. Tap to view more information. Press and hold the light key to enter controls. Slide in a circular way to quickly find the feature you need. Sometimes, you may want to disable the touchscreen feature. Press and hold the Start key and Down key at the same time to disable or enable the touchscreen feature. To set whether to enable touchscreen in different situations, go to Settings, System, Touch. Change settings here. During activity is disabled by default. If enabled, the touchscreen feature will be enabled in all activities. And if you want to enable or disable touchscreen for a specific activity, just enter the activity. And press the hotkey, Start plus Down. When using the map, the touchscreen feature is very useful. Besides intuitively moving the map in any direction, you can zoom in by double-tapping the place you want to zoom in. To zoom out, click the minus icon on the left. Press and hold at any position to show the options for the location in the center of the screen. Like, Save Location. After saving, a waypoint will be created. Next time you want to navigate, you can find it in saved locations. And that's it. Thanks for watching.